Alright, what's up, boys? Hope y'all had a good weekend. Yeah, market opens here in about a minute or so. So let's kind of get into it right now. We're kind of bullish until proven wrong, really, but we do have this bearish SMT here. Yeah, so that's what we're monitoring right now. And yeah, we'll just kind of have to see what we do off open here in about 15 seconds. Not really know what I'm expecting today. We have this big weekly opening gap here. We already kind of tapped it though, creating this SMT. We have this huge move down, so we could want to flood through and take out these draws and liquidity, but we'll see. We'll see what we do off open, and we might come grab these highs as well. Both these session highs, they're super close. We'll see though. If that's the case, then this SMT is no longer even affecting us. But yeah, this candle's kind of crazy right here though. Not gonna lie. It's literally just one 5-minute candle. And that's two 5-minute candles, 1.4% basically. But yeah, okay, it looks like NAS just took out this high. It's now in this opening gap here. It could easily just flood through this whole thing right now. We'll have to see. But yeah, this SMT no longer matters even, so nothing there. What we could see though is, you know, we could get potentially something like this sweep and then target hourly lows and this here. We'll just have to see though, because here on the, we are kind of extended to the downside, and it's almost like, you know, we're in like 4-hour equilibrium, you know, where it's like could potentially see some type of down movement, but you know, we don't need to, you know what I mean? So yeah, we'll see what happens here. Honestly, not sure what to expect today, low-key. It's not super obvious. We don't really have many gaps. Like higher time frame wise, nice recovery here. You know, like, don't really know for sure. Like, we have this gap, but like, yeah, we respect this hourly gap. Going higher, same with this one. These don't matter anymore, but you know, that's just showing that we're respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish, you know what I mean? So far anyway, you know? So we'd have to see some sort of change in trend, obviously, in a sweep situation here. It's just like, I'd like to see it maybe go through this, but at the same time, it's just hard to say. You never really know, because it doesn't have to happen. It happens a decent amount of the time, but recently it hasn't been happening where we want to flood through this area. So yeah, let's break on. But yes, sir. Holy 5-minute wick. Dang. So this could potentially be a case here. Just gonna have to monitor what goes on here. I do like how ES kind of manipulated this high. This SMT causing this move down right now. Yes, sir. But yeah, anyway. Make sure I don't get cooked. Hold up, let me. Bro, are we serious? It's gonna make. Dude, I'm sick and tired of this crap. Keeps making me sign in, bro. It's so annoying. There we go. Alright. Cool. Cool. Swear I just heard my cat or something. Maybe I'm tripping. Oh no, there she is. Cool. Alright. So, getting to move down right now. Probably gonna break structure here in a minute. I'm gonna grab my headphones real quick. I kind of like listening to music a little bit. There we go. Yeah, we're getting a big move down right now. It's pretty fire. It's just like what I said it was gonna do. Yeah, so we're about to take out these lows. So this, like this break would have been fire. But yeah, so we're getting a sweep. SMT. Um, see if that forms. But kind of looking for a retrace. Sort of. We broke structure to downside. Have some do have some low resistance liquidity here as well. Let's break them off. But here we go. Alright. But anyway, so right now, this is kind of what we're thinking. We're getting a sweep of liquidity right now. Manipulated this high. Created this SMT to downside. We already broke structure. Inverse this. Inverse that gap on the 1 minute. Do we have a gap on the 5 minute? I don't think we do. But yeah, so right now we're honestly trying to look for like a continuation of the trend. So whether that's we play into this gap. Whoa, that was pretty bad. We either, come up here, play into this gap, see, another break or inverse gap, whatever. And then that's when we're gonna try and enter the trade, targeting this low resistance liquidity here. We have equal lows down here from what it looks like. Ah, bro, no way it freezes. Okay, there we go. I mean, it's kind of, it's not a bad draw, but it's also kind of real far down there. So I mean, that's kind of stretching it. But at the same time, it's equal lows. So we'll see if we're even going to be able to get that retrace, because we just took out this hourly low on ES, I think. Be nice if it stops freezing, but yeah, let me pull it up on my phone as well, just just cause. Yeah, so right now we're looking a little bit not overextended, but we're likely gonna get a retrace right now. And that's what we're starting to do. Yep. That's what we're looking for. That is what we're looking for. If we can see, if we can start seeing like 1 minute confluences out of this, we'll see what happens here. Yeah. Yeah, so I'd like to see a deeper retrace for sure. You know, because we have this big move down here. Like for me, we took out this hourly low already. Like this could be the move, or you know what I'm saying? Like this could be the move. So I'd like to see. You know, we need to come up here, realistically. We're This is kind of a crucial point too because I'd like to see us probably maybe even inverse this gap on NAS. Maybe not. I don't know. But fill it like a lot and then ES maybe comes in here. Sorry, I'm trying to like think what I'm trying to say here. Like NAS, I think it's gonna fill. I mean, it almost filled it already completely, but like, bro. I see us potentially taking out these highs though again because if you look at this, bro, dude, ES barely even wicked into the gap, bro. So it's like, I think like I think it's kind of a similar situation to last week where we have to stay patient, bro, because like, bro, like, dude, if we think about it, we barely filled this. We could easily come up again in versus 1 minute, fill orders up here, and fill the gap, obviously. I mean, or not even fill the gap, because we already filled it here. But, like, literally just manipulate these highs again, stop people out, whatever it needs to do. And, yeah, you know what I mean? Because Nas pretty much went all the way through the gap. But it's just, like, I just want to see more of a retrace, bro. And that gap there too, because if we full on inverse it, then hey, on both indexes, then hey, we're gonna want to take longs up to those highs. You know what I mean? But right now, like I could have entered, or well, not yet, but like I could enter, like if we got a break there. I don't think we did, you know, but it's like that wouldn't be best entry situation, honestly. Like we retrace an equilibrium for sure, you know, but I personally, like, I think we might manipulate these highs again one more time. So that's the only reason I'm not entering right now. And we didn't fully get the break yet, but like we do have equal lows right here, it looks like. I don't know if the market's gonna give what we want. Gonna have to see, bro. I mean, dude, like, we're so overextended right now, bro. I haven't really. Yeah, bro, like it's probably good that, because bro, we're currently sitting on an hourly low as well. Not like sitting, but like, but
Where is she at now? Is she still up there, you think? I didn't see her.
we're gonna have to see what happens here. Because, like, for here on NAS, bro, equilibrium lines up with this high pretty nicely, which is fire. But, yeah, so, like, this could be a scenario where we do have a sweep. What's it called? Because this could be a sweep, and we just full on inverse this, and then we see some sort of retrace, and then we want to go higher. We, like, that could be a case, or we have complete valid SMT still. Well, actually, I think it got completed already, but then, because we already have everything that needs to happen to short if we get up here. If we get up here and we see 1 minute confluences without inversing this, bro, then, like, you know, like, I mean, vice versa. That's what I said. Basically, like, if we want to inverse this, then boom, we have to reevaluate a little bit. You know, we don't want to take a short whenever everything happened, and then we straight up inverse this. This means we confirmed a change in order flow back up. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, bro. Like, we just gotta be patient here because we're technically bearish right now. So, like, this is a crucial point here, honestly, because if we fill this, then we see 1 minute confluences to downside, because if we do fill this, that means we'll hit equilibrium. So then that's when we short. But if it's a case, I think I just already said this, but I'm just trying to make it simple. Like, if we are to inverse this, then we're checking both indexes, and that's a change back in order flow, and that kind of invalidates all this that's happened, you know. So then we have to reevaluate, and then that's when we may want to be bearish, or I mean bullish, if we want to come back down, and then, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just a few things could happen here, honestly. And we also did get close to equilibrium here on NAS and ES, so I mean, like, but yeah, bro, I really want to see us come back up here, because we have multiple people in different situations here, low-key, in my opinion, smart money-wise, because we have orders up here because people definitely sold off this move down. I think we have to think about it in, like, a market maker perspective, bro. Like, they're going to try and manipulate the shit out of us, really. So, like, what's it called? We filled orders here. People probably entered sells here. But then, when we, you know, get back up, you know, all this, then, what's it called? Some people probably went long here, stop loss under here. You know what I mean? So, because we have equal highs here as well, basically. I mean, not perfectly, but it's just like, bro, I just hate to enter off a freaking break a structure right now because we have equal highs here, which isn't great. Like, I want to see us come back up here, bro. But yeah, bro, we just keep playing around this zone. I want to see us come back up here, dude. But I don't know if the market will give us that, though. That's the thing, too. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if it'll want to give us that. So we'll have to just see, bro. I just want to be able to wait, because if it does give us that, then cool. We can try and take a short. But hey, if we straight up just inverse this bit, good thing we waited. You know what I mean? Because then at that point, we have to wait for freaking other crap to happen, bro. You know what I'm saying? So it's just like, bro, this is great, bro. I'm being patient. I like it. There we go. See, look what I said, bro. Look what I just freaking said. So, I mean, what I said was right. It's good. It's good that we waited. See, boys? It's good that we waited, because that's what I was looking for. I knew we were going to want to take out these highs, bro. That just stopped out a shit ton of people, I promise you. Or maybe not yet, but up here it will. So, we have to wait for this. If this closes and we inverse this bitch, like, dude, like we are, it looks like on NQ, but ES might not. So if this, bro, if this inverses this on ES as well, boom, that's changing order flow, bro. Like, we're, like, it's almost for certain longs after that. You know what I mean? Like, bro, we have 20 seconds left. Let's see. I don't know if we'll get it, but oh wow, we got it. We inversed it both. Yeah, so we are bullish now, low-key. We inversed that, so equilibrium no longer matters. We just inversed it on both indexes, so like, bro, literally, like,
Well, let me wash my face, okay? Brush my teeth.
bro, this is crazy, bro. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm trying to be patient here because like, we sweep these lows right now, bro. Nas hasn't yet. Bro, this shit's like insane, dude. This is straight like manipulation, bro. If you just think about it, dude. Like we have to stay patient here, otherwise we'll get burned. But yeah, the 5 minute doesn't look great as well. Yeah, I want to see what we do off this 1 minute gap, broski. So like, but yeah, boys, like, we're just gonna have to wait, bro, because, dude, we don't have an obvious, like, we don't have an obvious bias, bro. So, yeah, bro, I just need patience here. My fault, boys. But we are feeling this 15-minute gap, bro. Seeing bearish out, but like, bro, it's just lower time frames kind of telling us a little different. I mean, this easily could just be bearish, bro, and we, you know, like, we've had to flip it a couple times, so like, bro, it's just, that means we're not unsure, we're like a little bit unsure because of like what price is telling us, bro. Like, we filled equilibrium into a, that's a 5 minute confluence into bearish order flow, but then we waited because we thought we were gonna manipulate these highs because that's where a lot of resting orders were. And look, that's what we did. So we would have got stopped out there. Maybe not fully. I don't know. I maybe would have had stop loss here, but like even then, it's just I'm not comfortable with that. There's no need. Plus, like that would have been probably the only trade I wanted so far. And bro, my stop loss would have been so high, dude. Like bro, way too much. Like even if it was above this high, like normal, would have got stopped out, and that would have literally only been targeting this, and like that's just not ideal, bro, at all. So like I'd rather stay patient here, whether we even like take a trade or whether we don't, you know, like. So we'll just have to see what happens, bro. Like we're manipulating lower, like we push past this low right now. So I mean, but
Twice yesterday and then now this morning. Right now you are? Oh shit. Till when? Oh. Oh my god. Well, let me get my makeup
You're
on.
fine. I gotta pick out a different shirt to put on so I don't look.
Oh, nice.
my fault, my fault. I don't even know what just happened there. Like, bro, there's just that was like the only entry potentially, but even then for me, like, bro, stop loss is way too big, so not even not even ideal for me. Like Nas is a little more bullish, ES a little more bearish. None of them are like, bro, we're still just playing in this stupid ass range here. So like, so I mean, gotta see confirmation on both indexes, honestly. Oh, we Central S&T, bro. Have bullish SMT. Bro, stop freezing. Fuck. Damn. Let's see if we want to inverse this gap. Fill in this 1 minute. Didn't fully break that. Like, we're about to inverse this bow, but like... Um... Bro... Alright, I want to see us go a little lower one more time so I can get a better entry. Alright, bet. We're in. Alright, so... Probably could have entered with a little more size, low key, but I mean, yeah. So let's see what happens here. We've stayed real patient. I'm happy with this, to be honest. Yeah, boys. Let's see what happens. Bro, let's... Okay, so I think I'll lose... I don't even know how much I'll lose, but it should be chill. Probably should have risked more on this, but probably should have risked more for sure, but it's alright. But yeah, boys, so let's just see how this shit goes, bro. Damn. I don't know how much this would make me lose. Like, I kind of want to have it under this low just to give it room, but I don't know. So Let's see what happens here, bro. But let's just see what we do, boys. Probably gonna go break even here soon. So like probably break even here soon. I don't know if I want to just go to this high. I don't really know. I don't really know when I want to close here, low key. Like I don't want to get like, okay, let's see what we do off this gap. I want to see us respect this. Let's just see what we do. Let's see what we do. Cause it's a 5 minute, but it's like this high seems like it's a little more doable. Like I see us easily getting here. I don't want to get like cocky with it though, but we're respecting order flow nicely right now, so it's like that's fire. You know, this will, if we could break past this will make us up a good amount, but I'm moving a little slow, bro, so it's like not slow, but like right here we are, so it's like I might just try and close at that high. What risk reward is that? It's not bad, it's just I really want to see this high get taken, bro, or like at least this. So like I don't know, bro, like that, like want to see that though, so like I don't know what I want right now. I don't know what I want right now, man. I think it just stopped me on break even. Yep. It did. It did indeed just stop us out break even. I really like this trade though, so like I maybe could have closed that profit, but like damn, dude. Like broski. So just got break even, but like bro, dang dude, that sucks, but you know, it's all good. I knew we could easily come back down. I just wanted to be able to protect myself. But, you know. Pushing up right now, bro. So, like, dude. I mean, about to inverse this 1 minute gap, dude. Like. So just inverse that gap. Bro, yeah, this is gonna run. This is gonna go to these highs, I think. We're kind of in this range. It's like if we get out of this range, we're gonna go up to highs. If we go out down here, we're going lower. But I see it going up here. But, you know. Yeah, it's running right now. It's probably finna hit it without me, but maybe I moved break even too early. I don't know. I mean, I think I did pretty valid. But you know, get straight, bro. I really want to enter again, bro, but I really do. I'm not gonna lie. But like Price is moving so shitty. What is this, bro? Well, she'll just stay on here a little longer, but yeah, bro.
Ophelia.
Yeah, this will at least get here. But it's chill. Sorry, I was sending my boy a video. Bro, this shit's moving slow, dude. So
Yeah, I was like, I'm starving. Can we try to make breakfast before my meeting?
yeah, it's running my profit right now. I just hit this. I for sure would have profited here. I really want these highs or here, but took break even though. It's kind of unfortunate. Damn, bro, yeah. Just smack TP, bruh. Fudge. I think it did anyway. I'm assuming my shit froze, but it's chill, bro. I just probably shouldn't have moved to break even, I guess. I don't know. It's all good though. Still frozen. Perfect break even, low key. It'd be nice if it unfroze though. Bro, please stop. Why is it fucking frozen, dude? There we go. Yeah, bro, just hit my target. Hasn't quite hit up here, but I wanted this high from what I said. Unfortunate. Sorry, I'm texting my boy right now. Alright, well anyway, I'm gonna hop off here. But yeah, unfortunate day to be honest. Perfectly got stopped out at break even. Like literally perfectly. Maybe I shouldn't have. Maybe I should have waited till here. You know? I didn't get scared about this move. I did it up here. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, love y'all boys. See y'all tomorrow.